I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug your iPhone into the Mac using the device cable, unlock it, and tap Trust when prompted. Open Finder. This is where you control the update. Select the iPhone in the sidebar. Make a quick backup first. Choose Finder Local Backup for a full archive, or iCloud if you prefer automatic restore. Once the backup begins, check battery and network. The Mac needs stable internet for downloads, and the iPhone should stay connected for the whole process. Once Finder shows your device, click Check for Update and read the release notes so you know what changes are coming. If there's an update, click Download and Update. The Mac will fetch the IPSWA and prepare installation. This can take time depending on size and connection. Make sure the iPhone stays connected and unlocked. The installer will transfer files, verify them, then reboot the phone. During transfer, avoid interrupting the process. Otherwise, you risk a failed install or prolong. Once the iPhone restarts, complete the on-device setup and restore from the backup you made if desired. If Finder shows an error during install, first swap the cable or try a different USB port, then restart both Mac and iPhone and retry. If problems persist, put the iPhone into recovery mode and use Finder to reinstall iOS. That resolves most software faults. One key tip: if you see repeated failures, switch Macs or use a wired connection to Apple's servers to isolate hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.